To start the ceremony, we request our respected principal and chief guest to kindly come forward for the national flag unfurling. Everyone is requested to stand in शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Thank you all. The fluttering tricolor reminds us of sacrifice, courage, and unity.